Welcome to English Conversation. Question and answer. Do you have any hobbies?
I like painting. What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli. Do you like to read comics?
Yes, I enjoy reading comics.
What's your favorite comic book?
My favorite comic book is Spider-Man.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite ice cream brand?
My favorite ice cream brand is Ben & Jerry's.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, Carpe Diem.
Do you like to write stories?
Yes, I like writing stories.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is hiking.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is gummy bears.
Do you like to play board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing board games.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Monopoly.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching sports.
What's your favorite team?
My favorite team is the Lakers.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, my favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Do you like to sew?
Yes, I like to sew.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a tulip.
Do you like camping?
I like camping.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday destination is Hawaii.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I like using social media.
What's your favorite social media platform?
My favorite platform is Instagram.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like going to the park.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite fruit juice is orange juice.
Do you like to knit?
Yes, I like to knit.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite weather is sunny.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
What's your favorite photo subject?
My favorite subject is nature.
Do you like to write poetry?
Yes, I like writing poetry.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you like to listen to podcasts?
Yes, I enjoy listening to podcasts.
What's your favorite podcast?
My favorite podcast is Serial.
Do you like to do puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy doing puzzles.
What's your favorite type of puzzle?
My favorite type is jigsaw puzzles.
Do you like to sing?
I like to sing. What's your favorite karaoke song?
My favorite karaoke song is Bohemian Rhapsody. Do you like to do yoga?
I enjoy doing yoga.
What's your favorite yoga pose?
My favorite pose is the tree pose.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I like going to the gym.
What's your favorite exercise?
My favorite exercise is running.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What's your favorite dance style?
My favorite style is hip hop.
Do you like to fish? Yes.
I like fishing.
What's your favorite type of fish?
My favorite fish is salmon.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I enjoy gardening.
What's your favorite plant?
My favorite plant is a cactus.
Do you like to ski? Yes.
I like skiing.
What's your favorite ski resort?
My favorite resort is Aspen.